Welcome back to the tutorials. Today we'll be looking at some of those coins that has the potential of moving times 10. Okay, so that you can buy them, hold them, and start doubling your money in this 2024. So all you just need to do is to have verified Binance account or a bybit account. But on this very place, we're using bybit account for today. So all you just need to do is to go to your sports, have a view. But the coins we'll be looking at today, but the coins we'll be looking at today is some of those new coins that has the high potential of going times 10. Okay, so all you just need to do if you're using Bybit account, go to new. If you go to new, the first coin I'm going to show you here is called a route. Okay, this route is one of the coin launched last 24 hours, and it has the potential of doing very well. I've conducted a research on this very coin, and I think I should bring it to your table so that you also can gain from this profit that is coming. Okay, so this is route. You click on route, and as I said earlier, route was launched a couple of hours ago. You can look at it, and from the day it was launched, route has been doing well. Okay, route has been doing well. If you see from this place, let's see, the route all-time low was 3.0. Okay, and the route was launched at 3.0, and the current route all-time high is 5.5. Okay, let's look at it 4 hours movement. Okay, it's nothing much to show. Let's look at it 1 hour's movement. You can see it has been like on a neutral for like a while in 4 hours movement. I was since when it was launched. Okay, okay, let's go back to the 15 movement, 15 minutes. Okay, you can see route moved again to the low of 4.0. This is also a chance that route will move very high from this very place. Okay, you can see it's 24 hours turnover at the top right hand side. Here is 228.88 thousand. The 24 hours high now is 4.5. The 24 hours low is 4.0. Okay, then you check, make your research and buy this coin. You won't regret it. Okay, do this and you will thank me later. Okay, so the second coin that I want to show it to you is a coin that I have made so much from it. Okay, it's a coin that I've made so much from it already. All right, so let's go back to our table. There's a coin we call Mavia. Mavia has moved over 48 million, that is between 4 hours turnover. Click on it, you can see, and it's still currently going. And as it is current now, you can buy Mavia at this very junction. You don't have a doubt about it. Okay, you don't need to be scared of anything. You can buy at this very junction and Mavia will move very high for you. Okay, so all you just need to do is to check it's 24 hours turnover, as I said. So it's over 48 million. 24 hours low was 5.5, and 24 hours high was 7.3. Okay, and believe me, before 24 hours, a lot of things is going to happen in the house of Mavia. Okay, so let's see the 4 hours movement. Let's see how fast Mavia has moved. So in 4 hours movement, Mavia has moved from 3.3 to 7.3. This is a very high movement, and this is a very high profitable movement. Let's check it 1 hour. It's 1 hour. Market has moved from 4.4 to 7.3, of which is still going. A lot of people have made thousands from this very trade. Okay, a lot of people have made thousands from this very trade. So all you just need to do, look at this coin deeply, invest on it, and in few hours or in few days time, you will be in money. Okay, so you can see how good it has been doing. You can see how good it has been doing. Even me personally, I've made a lot from this mafia. Okay, so all you just need to do now, dive in and start making yours. Okay, so let's go back to the 50 minute. So all you just need to do now is to join Mavia. These two coin that I just show you, buy it low, and I promise you you will stay high by special grace of God. Okay, because we have conducted a lot of research on this very coin, and now there is a very high potential of them going up in these few hours or few days. Okay, so this brings me to the end of this very amazing class. Conduct your own research. Look at what I discussed to you carefully, and you will see that there's a lot of potentials in it. Okay. So if you are coming across to this very channel for the first time, subscribe, like, and share. If you are a returning viewers and you are yet to subscribe or like or share, please subscribe, like, and share so that we can keep moving. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.